mga bakla kayo ng taon, hindi to parlor, no? Merong totoong buhay. There is a real life that we are trying to save in The Hague. Wala nang mangyayari talaga. Ito pa lang yung path. O magpe-petition sa Supreme Court. O mag-open din kayo ng ibang path. Hindi ba? Lalo na yung international, mga bloggers, no? Mga international na nasa labas ng bansa. Why don't you petition your government? Open! If you cannot open a path, better shut up. If you don't like the initiative of itong mga hinayupak na mga to, think of your own. If you think this kind of petition is prone to identity theft, then come up with a better solution on how you can gather signature that can be verifiable by the Supreme Court without collecting ID numbers. If you cannot come up with that kind of solution, your criticism is actually putak ng manok. I think karamihan kasi hindi alam kung bakit kailangan may ID number. Kasi petition po ito na ibibigay sa Supreme Court. Kaya kailangan po na meron po siyang verifiable ID number. Ano ba yung issue? Bakit ba issue na may petition na ibibigay sa Supreme Court? Diba? Ngayon, kung meron naman kayong naiisip na mas magandang paraan na hindi kailangan magbigay ng ID, edi gawin ninyo. Why do you always have to make it hard? Why do you have to always to make it hard for people to make an initiative? What is it for you? Una-una, anong mapapala mo if you keep on saying things like na, itong petition na ito, if you're going to badmouth the petition, ano ba to? Kasi meron kasing criticism, alam mo, yung internal criticism sa mga magkakatoto, parehong paniniwala. Meron internal criticism, pero gusto mong pagandahin yung initiative.
Yes.
Gets din nyo? May ganon. Pero kung yung criticism mo, it's not for the purpose of making the initiative better, then there is something wrong with the hanash. It's not helping anything. Diba? It's not helping anything. So ibig sabihin, there is some other motives why you're doing that. Hindi ba? I'm not saying that there is, but it is likely for people to be suspicious. Hindi ba? Kasi you can always criticize as someone, etc. Tapos may mga nababasa-basa ko dito, bakit kailangan ng personal information, ganyan, na parang parang halatang hindi nyo alam kung para sa yung petition. So, ibig sabihin, alam mo yung tipong Bex, para kang pumunta ng, alam mo yung, para kang Miron, na merong nagchichismisan sa ako, tapos bigla ka nakisali, tapos hindi mo alam yung pinag-uusapan. Bakla hindi mo alam pinag-uusapan, bakit ka nakikisali? Di ba? So, alam mo, parang criticisms are okay, especially if the criticism is meant to make the initiative better. Hindi ba? Ngayon, if the criticism is not meant to make the initiative better, therefore, the criticism is meant to derail the initiative. What could it be? Alam mo namang meron pong middle ground. Anong middle ground naman dun? Ano to? The criticism is meant to what? So, kailangan talaga, mo yan, pwede rin naman gusto mo lang mag-criticize because gusto mo lang mag-criticize, gusto mo lang pumutak. Diba? Pwede rin naman yan. And either your criticism is meant to just make putak, or your criticism is meant to derail the initiative, those baskets, if you belong to those two baskets, then might as well criticize for derailing. Lahat tayo nangangapa kung papaano mapapabalik sa PRRD ng Pilipinas. So all initiatives are welcome. Hindi mo kailangan ng centralized. We need all initiatives. Hindi natin kailangan magpulong-pulong, mga kababayan, magpulong-pulong tayo dito para bakla, walang panahon. Kung sa tingin ninyo, itong grupo na to, yung initiative nila, nagdududa kayo, hindi magiging successful, di gumawa kayo ng sarili ninyo. Kailangan, iisa lang naman yung goal eh. Ano ba yung goal? Mapabalik si PRRD ng Pilipinas. That is the goal. Can the goal be achieved by different means? Of course! Wala namang pipigil sa'yo kung gusto mong gawin yung goal mo, no? Sabi nga sa pelikulang Temptation Island, mas maraming panty, mas maraming isda. So, sa mga bakla kayo ng taon, yun ang tatandaan ninyo sa buhay ninyo. Mas maraming panty, mas maraming isda. Nagigets ninyo, mga bakla kayo ng taon. If you have different means to achieve the goal, then the goal becomes achievable. So, kung nagdududa kayo sa isang means, then make another means in order to make the goal achievable. Kasi this is what you call complexity science, charot. Complexity science, when multiple paths are available for the same destination, the destination is more likely to be arrived at. Tandaan ninyo yan ha sa inyong buhay. If multiple paths are available for the same destination, the destination is likely to arrive at. So itong petition nila, this is one path. Hindi ka sure sa path na to, gumawa ka ng ibang path. So if you have several groups opening different paths to the same destination, mathematically, the destination could easily be arrived at. Nagigets nyo?
You have more chances of winning. Oh.
Yes. The more entries you send, the more chances of
winning.
The more chances
of winning. Correct.
Kaya, if you think yung pag ano mo dun sa isang path will make the destination achievable, pero wala ka namang alternative path, bakla, you're making the destination less achievable in the long run. So, hindi naman tayo magkakaiba ng destination in mind. Well, that's my assumption. So if the destination is in mind is mapauwi si PRRD alive, then let's focus on that. Open up different paths for that goal. Hindi yung mga bakla kayo ng taon, hindi to parlor, no? Merong totoong buhay na there is a real life that we are trying to save in The Hague. The more that we spend our energy in making different paths unattractive, the more that life would suffer the consequences of our actions. Kasi hindi nga namin sigurado kung mapapauwi. If you don't open different paths for that to be achievable, then wala nang mangyayari talaga. Ito pa lang yung path. O magpe-petition sa Supreme Court. O mag-open din kayo ng ibang path. Hindi ba? Lalo na yung international, mga bloggers, no? Mga international na nasa labas ng bansa. Why don't you petition your government? Why don't you petition your government? Especially if your country is a member of the ICC.
That's what the OFW in Japan did. Nagpetition sila sa Japanese government na if in case na yung Japan ang mapili na country para magstay si PRRD,
okay lang.
Interim release nila na pumayag ang Japan. Ganon. Ginawa ng mga OFW sa Japan.
So, ganun yung gawin ninyo. Tingnan niyo yung mga member states ng ICC. Kasi December na ngayon, merong Assembly of States. Dito nagmi-meeting yung budget ng ICC. So, alam mo yon, ito nga, yung mga nasa Pilipinas, sino ipipetition nila? Malamang yung Philippine government. Malamang hindi si BBM, yung Supreme Court, no? Because that is the only thing that they can think of. Di ba? Ano pa bang gagawin natin? Wala naman tayong magagawa na, kundi ito na lang. Pero if you think that there are other good paths, open it. Ibig sabihin, buksan mo yung path na yon. More paths to the same destination make the destination likely to arrive at. That's a mathematically precise statement and it's a law. Yung mga side comments, etc., whatever, it's not gonna be helpful because it is not a path that would actually lead to the destination. And malinaw naman sa ating lahat, ang ating destination na gusto is mapabalik si Pilipinas, si PRRD.
Yes,
Bring him home.
buhay.
Bring him home.
Correct.
Diba? Lalo na ng buhay.
Tama
Diba?
po.
And that's the only thing. So, open all the paths that you can think that could make it happen. It doesn't mean that you need to take the path that Joey and others are taking. It doesn't mean that. Open. If you cannot open a path, better shut up. Because time is of the essence here. PRRD is 82, 81, 83, 81. So, open those paths. My God, 1 year na tayo, mag-1 year na tayo nagbabangayan about kung sinong totoong DDS. Putang ina. Is our goal to actually determine kung sinong totoong DDS? Is that our goal? Is that your goal in life? My God, that's the goal of the ego. Ang goal is mapabalik si PRRD sa Pilipinas. If you don't like the initiative of itong mga hinayupak na mga to,
Think of
gumawa ka
something.
ng ano. Think of your own.
Correct.
Diyan mo
And,
i-focus yung
Correct.
energy mo.
And you know what? If you would be able to come up of something else that is very helpful, very innovative, and very creative na para mapauwi si PRRD, I would gladly support that. Kahit pa busit na busit ako sa inyong lahat. I
Oo,
would
Miss
gladly
Joey.
support it. Because the goal here is PRRD. It's not my buwisit to you. Kahit gusto kayong pagsasasapakin at batuhin ng tae sa mukha isa-isa, kahit gusto kong gawin yan, if you would be able to come up with certain ideas that is creative enough, innovative enough, but you are able to find ways to do this in a much better, more effective way para mapauwi si PRRD, susuportahan ko kayo, tutulungan ko kayo.
Actually,
Because
we
the goal
don't
here
know.
is bigger than my feelings, no? And bigger than my annoyance to all of you.
Actually, dapat kasi maging realistic ang lahat. No one among us know how to actually resolve this issue. None. Why? Because this is something that we have never encountered before. That's why more paths, more initiatives, the better.
The better.
Kasi hindi nga natin alam kung paano ito masosolve eh. So, mag-open kayo ng lahat ng paths, ng directions, all kinds of initiatives. Pero kung nag-iisa na nga lang yung initiative eh. Gusto niyo pa sirain, ano ipapalit ninyo? Ano ipapalit ninyo? Dahil wala naman, walang formula for this kind of, wala tayong time-tested formula for this problem. Nagigets ninyo? Wala. So, maging realistic kayo. Kasi naman kasi, no, mag-masturbate kasi kayo para mawala.
Correct. Just
Magpakiyot kayo. Kasi init ng ulo. O, wala tayo, we don't know anything. So, be creative, create more paths. Hindi natin alam kung anong way ang magtatagumpay. We live in absolute uncertainty. And in times of absolute uncertainty, the more initiatives that you do in order to reach the goal, the better. Eh, kung ayaw niyong makinig, bahala na si Batman.
away-away tayo. Hanggang dulo.
Naalala ko, Miss Joey, yung sinabi mo before na maraming beses mo nang sinabi yun eh, na parang you can set aside your annoyance, your, di ba? Basta, sabi mo pa nga nare-recall ko, basta patunayan nyo hindi ipakita nyo na may effective kayo na maiaambag kung papaano actually pati nga dun sa flood control, parang nasabi mo din meron kayong effective na maiaambag na makakatulong dito sa movement, laging movement yung term mo eh. So parang kaya ko lang naman siya, Miss Joey, na bring up, hindi para i-trigger ka or para i-open up ulit. Kasi misleading yung comment eh, 'di ba? Tapos meron siyang yung abangan na magbibigay ako ng comment after ko mag-party. So, syempre ako ang i-check ko talaga, wala na akong pakialam sa niya sa post niya. Titignan ko yung mga nagko-comment doon. Ay, may naniniwala pa rin. Yung hindi ko alam kung mahalata mo kasi pag trolls. Mahalata mo rin naman kapag parang yung mga wala lang siguro talaga tong mga access sa ganito. So baka meron pa rin na naniniwala. Eh, 'di ba? Naalala mo, Miss Joey, ang reminder mo nga, kailangan i-call out mo sila. Hindi natin sila pinapansin because tayo, gustong-gusto natin sila, fan fans tayo nila, hindi, or gandang-ganda tayo sa kanila, talino. No, kaya natin sila kino-call out kasi may mga mangilan-ngilan pa rin na, 'di ba,
Kasi
parang
nakakasira na sila.
totoo, Miss
Nakakasira na sila.
Joey.
Like for example, when you say that this is a scam and can be used for identity theft, how can it be done? How can the identity theft be consummated with the information provided here? Tell me, do you even know that term, identity theft? Do you even know? So ngayon, pagka kunwari, yung mga information na nakalagay dito, na kung kunwari lang in worst case scenario, napunta kunwari sa kamay ng hindi mapagkakatiwalaang tao. How can the identity theft be consummated? How? Kasi ganito yan, ang tawag dito, kasi may ID number ganyan-ganyan. Okay, so what can the ID number do to you? Para makuha mo yung mga data dun sa ID number na yun, you need to hack the government system. Para malaman ko kung ano lahat ng mga ginawa ni Kasing in relation to her government numbers.
True.
I have to hack the system. Ay ngayon, kung ma-hack mo naman yung system, ba't mo pa kukunin to?
Exactly, 'di ba? Contradicting
Diba?
Miss Joey yung argument nila.
So ngayon,
Kaya
kung
parang
kunwari, kaya mo namang i-hack yung system para malaman mo lahat ng mga information in relation to Kasing, ba't mo pa kukunin to?